Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Fairvilla University Quickie, all about learning your unique style of dirty talk. My name is Debbie Lee, and I am Fairvilla's in-house educator here to help you find out which style of dirty talk is your favorite. There are ways to talk dirty that are more innocent and more romantic, and ways that are more sexual and more descriptive, and all of them are exciting for certain people, and some might be a complete turnoff for the next. So it's really important for you to know what it is that you like and what it is your partner likes. Finding out what the two of you like, or if you have multiple partners, what all of you like, can really help find a nice harmonious blend that works for all of you. I'm going to give you some examples. Check the images that you see on the screen right now. If these words appeal to you, you might be a sweet dirty talker. These words might seem more romantic, more flowery, more poetic. And if you enjoy that, that might be your style. Now, check the words on your screen here. These words are going to be what we call flirty dirty talk. These words are going to be a little more sexual than romantic, might describe body parts or sexual acts in a more descriptive or naughty way. If you like the sound of that, this might be your style. You might be a flirty dirty talker. Now, if this is still not enough for you and you really want to kick it up a notch, you might be a dirty dirty talker. Check out the words on the screen now. These words are going to be raunchier, more overtly sexual, might be more descriptive of sexual acts or body parts, might even use some curse words or taboo subject matter, and overall might feel a little more vulgar in the best way possible if this is your style of dirty talk. So there you have it. Those are the three basic types of dirty talk. And most of us who enjoy dirty talk will fall into one of those categories, or maybe be on the cusp between two different types, or maybe even a sampling of all three. What I suggest you do is get to know for yourself. If you already know, great. If you don't, take some time and get to know yourself. Maybe check out some really sexy erotica or watch some porn and take note. Do your homework. Find out what it is that really gets you going. And then use that. Collect yourself a nice little selection of nouns, nicknames, verbs, adjectives that really get you turned on, and share that with your partner. I call it my little dictionary, if you know what I mean. I suggest having whoever you're playing with make a list as well. And then you can share it, which will give you both a little bit of a blueprint to say exactly what turns the other person on. How great would that be if everybody that you're playing with knew exactly what words got you going, right? So it never hurts to communicate, and it certainly doesn't hurt to communicate about dirty talk. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please check out our Dirty Talk class that we offer through Fairvilla University. If you enjoyed today's quickie, please remember to like it and to subscribe for our weekly updates on our YouTube page. Check out our other social media and share it with your friends. We appreciate it. So thanks so much for joining us today, and I will see you next time.